or swung away,
Oranges?
fearing for their dear little lives.
Right here. We're going to sign for this thing. Hey, hey. We're going to sign for that.
While there won't be any Barra on the menu tonight, the Kimberley ritual known as the Great Oyster Shut is guaranteed to produce a wall of tasty snacks.
Have a look at this. This thing will cost you about $12 in some flash Sydney restaurant. The size of it, this is your classic Kimberley black lip oyster. It's kind of like an ear. Ooh, the only way to eat it. Lemon.
See, so they see after